Hello, this is FX Ninja, the author of this wedding titles project, and welcome to this guide. Welcome to this guide. I'm sorry, uh, and yeah, this is how the project is going to look like once you open up the project. And oh, thank you very much for purchasing. First of all, before I begin, and yeah, once you open up the project, if you go to the project panel here, it's right here on the Windows menu. If you can find it, you'll find these set of folders. Number one folder is your text folder. I'll come back to that later. This one here, title templates, as the name implies, it includes the 55 titles that is available inside of this template. And this one is light leaks and transition. I'm going to touch on that at the end of the video. Well, to demonstrate what you have here, let me go ahead and import a video file. Well, let's imagine this is your video for a moment. Actually, this is not a video, this is just a still image, but the process is same. Alright, let's think that this is your video. I'm going to apply a blur effect on it, fast blur. So I can see my titles clearly. Alright, what you can do is, if you have some kind of a video, you can just drag and drop any title onto your video and it will animate over it. And you can press S on your keyboard and reveal scale attributes and scale it down, place it anywhere in the video you want. And it's 1 minute long. I don't think that anyone would want the video to be 1 minute long, but by default it's 1 minute long. If you want only like 6 seconds, around 6 seconds, or what you can do is you can zoom in and trim this while holding down Shift key. Trim this to that's 6 seconds, and you have a 6-second title. That's what you can do. Well, this is the folder that you have extracted from the zip file you have downloaded from Video Hive. Now you're watching this video. These two images, I'm sure you have already seen it. These two images are references, and this consists of all the images. Template 1 to 27 in the first image, and template 1 to template 20 to 55 in the second image. Now this is the place where you have to come when you want to find something. Now let's imagine that you come here and you find that this design, you like this design. Now its number is template 24. What you can do is just go to After Effects, open up the title template and find template 24 here. This is it, and drag it and drop it into your composition. And there you go. You have your template here. Now it says your text here, which is not good. What you can do, it's very simple to change the text. What you can do is you can just go to this folder, go into this folder called your text, number 1 folder, and find, now you're using template 24, template 24 text. And here it is inside of this composition. This is a very simple composition. It has this text animation presets. One note is that never delete this text animation text layer, what you have here by default. I'll tell you why in a minute. Well, these stuff are these two layers are guides. As you can see, if you turn this on, you will see the actual design, and if you turn this on, this is the area you have to stay within when you're typing your text. You can type any text. Alright. By the way, you can go to the character palette while this text layer is selected, and go to character palette and change your font to anything you like. Now if you go to your main comp, and you will see it's animating, and your everything is animating and looks nice. The other thing is never turn these things on after you have once you're done typing out your text. Now if you do this, what would happen is this. You would see the actual guides with the template, and actually you will remember at once that you have made this mistake. But anyway, once you're done typing your text, turn these things off. Well, the other thing, let's pick another one. Let's imagine that you like this design. It's template number 42. What you can do is go into the title templates, template number 42. Alright, drag it and drop it onto your composition. Now this is it. Let me scale it down a little bit. Now some templates has animated text. The text presets are applied here. What I mean by that, now if you want to change the text here, what you can do is, like we did earlier, go into this folder called Your Text. We're using template 42, go to template 42 text, and here it is. Now if you select these 3 text layers and press U on your keyboard, you'll see text animations applied on it. These keyframes and text animations have been applied. Like before, you can type any text here, type any here, anything here as well. Turn this to off. If you go to this main composition, everything is still animated the same way because we didn't delete these layers, and because we edit the original layer that came along with. What if you delete them by accident and typed your text by your own? If you do this, well, this is true for some of the text animations, animation presets only, some of these templates only, but as a general rule, never delete these text layers that is provided to you. Just double click on them and type your text. Now what if you have deleted them? Now even if I say so, what if you have deleted them? And this is what would happen. Text animation will not be there. This is what would happen if you run into this situation. You want to go back to the don't want to go back to the beginning, and you want the animation presets back. What you can do is refers to this README file. There is a README file. It has some general guidelines here, but here it says how to apply the animation presets back. I'm going to demonstrate this now. Well, to know which animation presets is applied to which one. Now these are the text animation presets. There are three folders inside of your main folder: project, guide, and the text animation preset. These are the text animation presets that have been applied to your text layers. Well, you're using template number 42. Well, what you have to do is find number 42 here. This table, refer to this table, find number 42 here. Yeah, here it is. It says text animation 01. So, which means this text animation preset is applied to this template. So what you can do, come to the frame number 0, type 0 here, make sure your time slider is at number 0 for the 0 frame, and the text layer is selected, the layer which you want to apply the animation onto, and go to the animation, apply animation preset. Browse to where you have text saved out your animation presets and apply this. Double click on it and it will be applied and it will be animated like this. Alright, that's what you can do.